What's up, you guys? This is Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be installing the carbon heat deflector on our Pro R. Listen, this is super easy, super fast install. This goes on the factory chassis and it's connected with 4 zip ties. You're going to snake the zip tie through this hole and on the back side once you get it in, and then you just yank them tight, and it's literally that easy. It's that secure. They're super heavy duty, big zip ties. It only takes 4 of them. You're gonna get a few extra in your bag. That's just for when you cut them the wrong way. So we got your back there. It's super easy with 2 guys. I like to come through the driver's side. You can go through the passenger side. Driver's side is definitely easier. It's a tight fit. The trick is to kind of press the radiator hoses down and slide this over there. Once the radiator hoses are gonna sit here. So really, once you clear this section, it's just gonna fall into place. It rides on the frame rails. These are molded concave to the frame rails. It just locks in. It can't slide up, it can't slide down. Where it sits is where it sits. It's that easy. I got a buddy who's gonna help me. He's gonna press the radiator hoses down as we fish it through, kind of pull on it his way. It really goes that fast. So here we go. This is a Smart Shocks model. We're always gonna be super careful of all of our plugs. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do it with even those plugs there. Smart Shock models are even tighter in the chassis, so this is worst case scenario. If you've got a Walker Evans model, even easier. All right, it's sitting in the car. It's that fast, that easy. Heat shield's in. Let's throw these zip ties through it and attach it to the frame. What I like to do is just get these just barely snug. That way this kind of aligns itself on the chassis. And then once they're all kind of aligned, everything's snug, I'll go in there and crank down the zip ties, sneak in, and cut off the excess. All right, guys, it's that easy. This carbon fiber deflector is going to drastically reduce your in-cab temperature. You can pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com.